Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss the follow-up levels in Odoo 14. Let's have a look. So when you create an invoice, you are required to follow up with your customers to receive the payments. Odoo allows you to automate these follow-up procedures by setting up some rules related to follow-up. To do that, you can go to configuration in the accounting menu, and under follow-ups, you have the option to create the follow-ups. If you see some examples here, we can generate an email. For example, first reminder email after 15 days overdue due to the following actions. You can send an email, you can send an SMS message, you can print a letter, you can directly send a letter, manual actions if you want to perform, auto execution whether you want manual intervention or you want automatic, and you can also join all the open invoices together. If you see this example, in this case, we have also defined what is the name of what is the template of the email. And if you want to customize your message, then there is some guidelines available here. Similarly, the second option, second reminder email, you can say, let's say after 30 days. In third case, we have said that we will do it 40 days later and so on. Once these reminders are set, the system automatically generates the follow-up reports. If you can see this example, the system has auto-generated some records for Azure Interior. Automatically, record has been created. The system has automatically found out what is the due date, and this email has been generated. Now we have the option to print this as a letter as well. Save it. So letter will require a particular format. This kind of letter can be generated. Similarly, you can send it by SMS, send it by email. If the payments are received, you can reconcile. You can see no payments. And finally, you can mark it as done. Okay. So in this way, you will be able to see that a particular follow-up will be closed here. As you can see that unless and until you reconcile this, the system will show you the open values and the progress will still be marked as empty if all the follow-ups are not complete. Okay. So it is in the need of action, and you can see that there are filters available for follow-up status. That's all for the follow-ups. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.